Yeah.
Barbecue. Oh, so rainy.
Oh, what is that? Okay, you try.
Okay. Wow.
What is that?
What's this?
Chicken feet.
Chicken feet.
Or we call that one Adidas.
Adidas. Adidas.
You
I
try.
try to eat. First time.
Vlog is important.
Before that one?
Yeah. It's blessing, right? Blessing.
Yes.
Oh, you do your hair. Your hair.
Crazy, right?
Oh, di ba? Sige. Yeah.
That's good.
Wait, there's bone, huh? There's bone. Maybe you forgot no bone when there's bone. Good?
Good. I like it.
You like it?
But it's hard to eat. Hard.
You need to debone it, like eat only the skin.
Okay.
Yeah.